Hi guys, I'm Hirinya, 5-year-old girl. I'm gonna make a cake with my nanny. Today we are going to start the beautiful cake makeover right now. First we need some maida, then we need some sugar, then we need one chammach of baking soda. Then we need to mix it nicely. After that we should put some milk. Then we'll nicely make it into nicely. Then we will apply butter and melt it nicely. Then we will mix it nicely. Then after that we will apply red food color in it and mix. Then we will nicely mix and then it will become a nicely pink, baby pink color. Then we will take the mold of the cake and cover it with oil or ghee. Then we are going to make it fully ready. Then we are going to, like you can see, we are applying the cake base. After that we will put it in the microwave for 30 minutes minimum. Then as well you can see the beautiful texture. Then we are going to cut the cake into half. Then we are going to apply the cream inside and then apply the putting of up again, and then we are going to nicely take some white cream again and put it on the top, and then we will take some cream in a bowl and mix it with red food color. Then we are going to decorate the cake. After that nicely our cake will